Hey guys, good morning. Today is 11th of April 2020 and to the time this is 8 o'clock. Guys, I slept. Guys, it's a miracle. I didn't have insomnia yesterday. Although I woke up at 3, but I slept almost immediately. Right? I could not believe it. I was already worried when I woke up by 3. I was like, oh my God, what's this? Because I think I slept around 12:30 or 1 a.m. But let me say give or take 12:30. And I was like, what is this? But I slept and my alarm woke me up by 6. Isn't that great? So guys, I want to pack up this order now for a client. Well, she's also a friend. She ordered the Ankara bonnet plus head wrap and this silk vestibule hair bonnet. Like, you guys need to feel how soft this satin silk feels. So I'm just going to pack this up for her. Every bonnet comes with free scrunchie. So I even think I'm out of scrunchies. I need to make more because I'm also going to be making new prints for bonnets. And here's my thank you card. I just recently designed this on Canva, so it's just pretty simple. Thank you for your purchase and supporting our small business. You made our day wonderful. So it's be simple and stylish. Be you. Love your purchase. Let us know. So leave us a review. And yeah, so every order will come with a thank you card, a free scrunchie, and yeah, that's it. So I just want to pack it up. She said she's on her way here. She lives in Kitchener as well, so she's just coming to pick up instead of having to pay delivery charges because delivery is not cheap in this part of the world. So I'm just going to pack this, sit down here, wait for her. I haven't attended mass yet. Probably I'll just be doing that while, she's on her way coming here. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys shortly. When I'm done, I'm probably ready to cook for today. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So guys, these are the pancakes I made. I don't know how many. Well, I'm not going to count. This is just what is remaining, and this is the remaining one. This is the one that is pan frying. So when I'm done with this, I'll probably come and cook some turkey. I brought out fish. You guys can remember when I got this fish. I think it was in February or in January. I can't really remember, but I think I want to eat fish today. So I don't know if I want to grill it or I want to just fry it. Like, I'm just torn in between grilling or frying, but I'm going to cook this turkey because we're going to have white rice today. Stanley made to sometime during the week. I think it was on Thursday, so no jollof rice today. I would have made fried rice, but no, let's just have white rice. Probably maybe next week I may make fried rice. But yeah, like I said, I'm craving fish. I'm going to cook turkey. You guys already know, instant pot to the rescue. I may not really show you guys how the process goes, but whatever it is I get to do for the rest of the day, I'm going to let you guys know. But cooking wise, I'm just going to be boiling rice, but there's an idea that is in my mind, and if I'm able to execute that idea, I'm going to show you guys how my white rice will look. So this is my rice. I have 6 cups here. I'm going to be pouring the desired amount of water, but I'm going to be adding olive oil. You guys already know Saporito. This is the brand we use into my white rice. I learned this from my landlord. I don't really put salt in rice. I grew up not, I grew up with us not adding salt into white rice. But sometimes I do because of Stanley, because most times he likes, to put salt in his rice. But now I think he has gotten used to eating white rice that wasn't prepared like with salt added into it. So yeah, I'm going to be adding a little olive oil, then add water, turn on the instant pot to rice, and we're good to go. Then I'm just going to figure out if I want to just grill the fish directly and the turkey, or just fry or cook the turkey. I don't know yet. Oh, if I want to fry this, I didn't pick it. Hey guys, so today is Monday. I can't really remember the date, but anyways, today is Monday, and I went to the store. You can see that before Monday there was I think on Thursday there was a new stay-at-home order. So I heard this from my friends and I thought it was just a joke. Probably not a joke, but seeing it now. So in superstores or big stores like Walmart and Loblaws and Real Canadian store, because I'm actually at the Real Canadian store. So non-essential items, you cannot shop for them. You can only shop for them online, and opt for the curbside pickup. So, but other items that are essential items, you can go in store and buy stuff. So I'm sure you guys saw the notice, saying this item is not for sale. You can only do pickup, or you can just order online. Yeah, and see the it's just crazy. But hey, I came to buy stuff because I want to make okra soup. And yeah, I've never really gone to do shopping on a Monday morning. It's been a very... Hi, how are you? I'm doing great, thank you. Guys, I didn't end this vlog well, so I'm just going to do that here. I go home and I started roasting or grilling plantain. So these are the new prints that came from me. These are the new prints I'm going to be using to make bonnets going forward, or the new prints that will be available for bonnets. That's the Ankara bonnet. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. I know I didn't end this vlog well. I was too tired to add any more things to the vlog. I also made soup that same day on Monday, but it was pretty late. I think I was done making the soup maybe like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. or even 10 p.m. I was pretty tired that day. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was very short. Stay safe and have yourself a fabulous day. Bye, guys.